Hey guys, I'm sick and someone needs to hold me accountable, so it's gonna be you guys. It's 7:45 and it's dark out and I've been sleeping since after school and I feel so gross. So I'm gonna go to the gym and you guys are gonna come with me, but I'm not gonna vlog much at the gym, but we're just gonna see where this vlog goes. Hailey Fernandez apricot. I feel like shit, I'm so sick, but the grind doesn't stop. So we're just going for it. Cinnamon. I had half of a banana, but I only have frozen, so that'll do. goes on me. But I'm sorry I didn't film more. I've had such a busy week. So I did some more healthy habits, but more just like chia seed pudding. Kind of disgusting, but it's honestly really healthy for you. And then I'm trying to do these little workouts, and then I also have like a spin bike downstairs. But it can be hard with like school and work to keep up a routine. So it's like if you don't want to go, when you do go, that's when it matters most. And I'm not the best for that, but I'm definitely working on it. I have been staying good with my healthy habits, and I've been seeing a difference. I've also been drinking a ton of water, and I've noticed that's done a lot for my skin, so that's another healthy habit I didn't really show in this short video. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and then I have some Christmas ones coming, and I'm so excited. Here you go.